Imagine waking up tomorrow and seeing your income jump. Not because you worked harder, not because you picked up more hours, but because AI worked for you while you slept. Welcome to the era of agentic AI tools, software that doesn't just respond to your commands but thinks, plans, executes, and completes tasks on its own. Today I'm breaking down 7 agentic AI tools that can literally triple your income overnight by automating the work that used to take you hours, even days. Let's get into it. The first income booster is the one almost everyone has access to, but very few actually use the right way. ChatGPT agent automations. You can now build your own custom agents that write emails, automatically manage client messages, create social media posts, generate leads, analyze data track tasks, write scripts, and even run mini business workflows. These agents run in the background without you lifting a finger. People are selling done-for-you GPT agents on Fiverr and making $300 to $1,500 per client. You can build one in under an hour, then sell it over and over again. 2. Relevance AI, multi-agent workflows. Relevance AI takes automation to the next level. Instead of a single chatbot, you can create full teams of AI agents that work together like employees. Imagine having a research agent, a writing agent, an editor agent, a publishing agent, all running a complete content pipeline. Businesses pay thousands per month for this. You can offer automation services, create digital products, or run your own AI-powered content business, where the entire team is automated. 3. Tascade agents, autonomous workspace operators. Tascade lets you create AI agents that operate inside your project workspace. They can plan your week, complete tasks, generate documents, assign work, and execute entire multi-step processes. If you're a freelancer or remote worker, this increases your output instantly. If you're running a business, you can automate 50 to 70% of your operations. People charge $50 to $200 per hour setting up Tascade automations for clients. 4. Agent Forge. Build and sell specialized AI workers. Agent Forge is perfect if you want to sell AI workers as a service. You can build AI agents specialized in lead generation, customer service, writing market research, appointment setting, product descriptions. Once built, these agents run without supervision and deliver finished tasks to clients. This is the closest thing to hiring digital employees, except you own them. Create one agent, sell it repeatedly, and you've got recurring income. 5. Luma Labs Dream Machine, automated video creation used to take hours. Now, an AI agent like Luma Labs Dream Machine can turn a single prompt into promo videos, product ads, animations, B-roll educational clips, YouTube content. Creators are already selling these videos for $40 to $200 each. Businesses are buying them by the bundle, and Dream Machine creates them in minutes. This alone can turn into a $300 to $700 per day side hustle. 6. Browse.ai, automated web data and lead capture. This tool quietly powers a ton of online businesses. Browse.ai lets you create AI robots that browse the web for you. They can collect leads, track competitor prices, scrape product data, monitor websites, send reports, update spreadsheets automatically. This is one of the most in-demand freelance services right now. Companies want data, and Browse.ai lets you deliver it on autopilot. Charge monthly for recurring data reports, and you build passive income with zero effort. 7. Zapier AI agents. Automate an entire business. Zapier's AI agents are the glue that ties everything together. They can take inputs, think, decide, and execute multi-step workflows across thousands of apps. For example, an email arrives. An AI agent reads it, decides the intent, creates a task, drafts a reply, sends a report, updates a CRM, all while you're asleep. Zapier consultants charge $500 to $3,000 per client, and almost all of it is automated after setup. Agentic AI isn't just another trend. This is the moment in history where one person can run an entire business, automate client work, and multiply their income without burning out. These tools don't just help you work faster. They work for you. They research, they write, they plan, they execute, they deliver, and they never sleep. The people who embrace agentic AI in 2025 will out-earn 99% of everyone else. The people who ignore it will spend years trying to catch up. So the question is, are you going to watch the AI wave or ride it straight into your next level of income? Thanks for listening and happy earning.